So hello, I'm making a video about this lens. I bought this photochromic lens from Aliexpress, and it works good. Goes dark when there's sunlight, and I'm just having an issue with the Pinlocks from Aliexpress. Doesn't work. Moist, still there, fogging. Then I tried the Pinlock from SHOEI. I don't know how you say that. This is the stock lens, their lens. I'm just test fitting it. Then yeah, it fits. If you want a cheaper option, because I know Photochromic is kind of expensive. Yeah. Then Aliexpress get you back. It's cheaper and it works too. That's all I can say. I'm gonna make a video how it goes dark in the sun and goes for a ride. Check out the link below, and yeah, if you want it, take it. Thank you. Peace.